Today I have some wellness tips for you for if you work from home. So, like a lot of us, since few years already, been working from home some days or most of the days, and as glamorous as it may sound, it can also be sometimes challenging, not only to maintain a life-work balance and to keep yourself motivated, but also look after your health and your wellness, your emotions, your boundaries, a lot of things in this package. Like with the last years after COVID, working remotely became like the new norm for a lot of people, business owners, and apart from the adaptive period to this new home office adventure, you can also find yourself jungling too many things and too many other responsibilities come on your way, house stuff, and maybe homeschooling with your kids around, your partner, I don't know, each one has like different circumstances in life, and it can, like, working from home, as it can support your business or your career. You want to learn how to balance it and how to expand your wellness and not drown and feel like you're drained or burn out from that. So I gathered for you a few daily tips to help you maintain a good balance. The first one, like in the morning, whenever you start your day, showered and dress up. Start your day fresh, maybe even get a cold shower to boost your energy and immune system. Do your morning routine as you do, whatever. For me, it's going to be workout and meditations, breath work to put me on state. Ditch your pajamas and dress up like you show up for yourself. You will be surprised how dressing up and looking like feeling good and presentable will instantly boost your mood and focus. Like, wear the things that you feel good in and that are also comfortable. If you want to put your makeup on or not, that's up to you, but just like shift from this state of pajama and bed and to your purpose and focus. The second tip, set up your working area and environment. Most likely you don't need to share your desk with anybody, so make sure that you can get the most out of it. You can really get creative here, but don't forget the basic, like your planner, your charger, cup of favorite tea, water. The idea is to create a comfortable zone for you to be inspired and creative. You can, I like fresh flowers, maybe nice essential oil in your oil diffuser to boost your mood, like citrus, for example. Whatever make you feel that this is your space to create, do that. The next advice, it's nice to work by a window or a bright area. Natural light can help you stay focused and awake. So try to try to rest your eyes regularly, especially after looking at the screen for hours. You can take short breaks for your eyes and look at something else in the distance. That's why a window can help. And of course, light that keeps you awake. The next tip, let some fresh air in. Make sure to ventilate the area you work in well. You might be surprised that our indoor air can be more, polluted than the outdoor. Think about that, like a house with people living, and there's dirt and there's moist. So you want to get some fresh air going on. The next tip, it's good to set a schedule. I mean, it can be tempting to wake up late and like work in random hours, but mostly it just makes you stress because you feel like you have to catch up all the time. So to keep focus and support your mental well-being, clearly defined schedule that will help you to get the goals you want. I like to write down in the beginning of the day what I'm planning to do that day. So I know my goal, my plan, and I know my schedule. More or less. Yeah, we can always be how you say it, flexible. Nice. Next thing, maintain good posture. So position your screen, your laptop, in your eye level, so you don't sit like that and you hurt your neck all the time, and that can also cause headaches. And to sit with your feet flat on the ground and some space between them. Relax your shoulder, try to sit up, support your back, but really be aware if you find yourself like this, closing in, so open up. Next one, get up once in a while and stretch. Aim to get up from your chair every hour, let's say. Walk around, stretch, move, maybe do some twist, neck stretches, I don't know, your shoulders. Move a little bit. If you have a trampoline, perfect. Just do some jumps on it. Just get out of your chair every hour, glass of water, and move. And connected to that, take a proper break. And sometimes, we just like keep going, and then we just hit a wall. So if we have these like little breaks to have a snack, to drink something, to stretch and move, it will help you maintain longer hours of working. Stock up healthy snacks and hydrate. The best secret to avoid junk food, not to have them around you. I know it might sound, I don't know, weird, but you just keep next to you the things that will support your body, that will love your body. Nuts, fruits, berries, I don't know, crackers with hummus or something like that. And with your coffee or tea, whatever, always make sure you have a bottle of water. Maintain healthy life-work balance. Don't let work overtake your personal time or other way around. I know it sounds sometimes hard, but like what I spoke before about the schedule and stuff, in this schedule, I, for example, put also my meditation, my workout, my dance. So there is kind of balance. Yes, I will do my work for my business, my passion, but I will make sure that in the day I also do the things for my soul. These tips will greatly help you to have this kind of relaxed structure that you wake up to, that you not wake up like, with this, oh my God, so many things to do, so many emails, whatever, and you know where you're going, you look forward for the day, and you don't feel drained at the end.